Hello, today what I'd like to do is show you how easy Samsung with their iPolus device manager makes it to set up a IP system with a video management system. In this case we're going to be using the CompleteView from Salient as a sample. So basically the first thing we're going to do is search for cameras we have on the network. What I do have here is I have 4 IP cameras, PoE cameras plugged into a network switch. And you can see I clicked the search icon and immediately it found all of those cameras. I need to change these IP addresses to static IP, so I'm going to basically just select all and click the IP assign icon. We can go virtually from any range we want, but for today's demo, let's go from 50 on. You can see it knows that there are 4 cameras, so it brought it up to 53 for all 4 cameras, and assigned new IP addresses like you can see under my cursor. We can apply those changes now, and basically within a few seconds all of those IP addresses are going to be changed. So now that we have the OK under result, we're good to go. So what I'll do now is I'll pull up the CompleteView server from Salient. Server configuration is what it's called. I'm going to add these cameras by searching for them. You can see it found all 4 of the cameras right away. I'm going to put in the default username and password just so we don't make any drastic changes here. And just so you know, these are default from the factory, so there was no smoke and mirrors happening. I'm going to add those selected cameras, and it's going to go out and test all of those different connections. Okay, so that took a couple of minutes. It went through and it found all of the cameras, added them into CompleteView. Now, full disclosure here, we can see that there are yellow check marks beside that. That's because couldn't find the most recent drivers for those cameras, but that's okay, because what CompleteView will do is use the most compatible driver that it's got. So you can see here these cameras are now added into the system tree under CompleteView server. We're going to save that configuration, and then we're going to launch a client software to show the video. So basically we're launching video client. We'll log in and connect up to the server. And there we go, we're online. Now when we pull up my server from here locally, you can see that the cameras are there. I can drag and drop them over into the window, different windows, or I can make a new view from here. We'll do a quad because that's how many cameras we've got. Make 16 by 9. And basically then drag those cameras over. And voila, you've got your IP addresses assigned to all the cameras, and you've got cameras working within CompleteView. And so I'm a person, I'm not a technician. You can see I was able to set that up, and I hope you find it the same way. Thanks very much and have a great day.